Good morning once again. My name is Matthew Ndani. My admission number is bed 050277 2021. So I'm here to talk about the glaciation, whereby the glaciation is the action of moving ice. So before we look at the glaciation, whereby the glaciation is caused by a glacier, whereby a glacier, let me give the definition of a glacier. Glacier is the mass of ice moving outward from the region of accumulation, whereby it is formed by snow accumulation on the surface. Lower layers are compressed to a harder mass, resulting in opaque ice due to air bubbles and ice accumulation. Compress lower layers, freezing out air, forming glassy ice called a glacier. A glacier is caused due to the ice compressing, whereby due to ice compressing, the ice breaks into layers, whereby those layers are called the glacier, which moves out from that region whereby they had accumulated, whereby that one is called ice. Now, types of glacier: we have the sack glacier, whereby the sack glacier is the ice occupying a sack. The valley glacier whereby is the ice confined within a valley, and the Piedmont glacier is a glacier formed where valley glacier converge on the foot of the mountain. Okay, hereby we have the iceberg. The iceberg so we have the iceberg, whereby the iceberg is a continuous mass of ice covering large areas on the Earth's surface. Ice cap is the key covering. The ice covering a mountain peak, and the snow line is the line beyond in which there is permanent snow cover. Okay, finally, then next one is we have the ways of ice movement. The first one is the plastic fluid, whereby is the movement of ice like a viscous liquid, whereby ice move, whereby due to great pressure exerted on the bottom side and the center, which causes ice particles to compress or to melt slightly and move slowly downhill, like a viscous fluid. Now the basal slip, whereby the movement of ice by sliding over the underlying rock, whereby a pressure is exerted on deepest layers of ice in contact between the rock beneath, causing melting. Then a film of water is created which acts as a lubricant between the ice and the rock, causing to slip and slide over the rock, which moves down slope. Whereby we have the extrusion flow, is the movement of ice by spreading out, whereby ice accumulates the building to great thickness, causing compression of layers of the ice beneath, whereby the ice beneath are caused to spread out where there is less pressure. Whereby we have the internal shearing, whereby it's the breaking of ice into smaller pieces which move alongside one another, whereby due to uneven movement causes ice to develop cracks on the surface, whereby the glacier moves into smaller pieces which move alongside each other downslope. Then we have the factors of ice movement. We have the gradient of the slope, whereby ice moves faster on gentle on steep slopes than on gentle slopes due to the presence of gravity. Now the season, ice movement fast. Ice moves faster in summer than frequent in winter, whereby we have the friction. Central part of ice move faster than the sides of the bottom that are in contact with the rock beneath. Now the thickness of the ice, whereby ice moves faster due to where there is high pressure or more pressure. Okay, so first we shall start with the action of glacier, whereby the first one is glacial erosion, whereby the processes involved include the blacking process, the abrasion, then the factors influencing the rock formation, or factors influencing the glacial erosion, the nature of the underlying rock, the gradient of the slope, the thickness of the ice, and the availability of the debris. You have the features due to ice erosion, the glacial erosion. The erosion features, the first one is the arete, the second one is the sack, the third one is the turn or correlate. You have the arete, you have the pyramidal peaks, the glacial troughs, the triangular, truncated spurs, whereby we also have the erosion features on glaciated lowlands. You have the rock mountain, the crag and tail, the depression lakes, the glacial deposition, whereby you have the types of glacial deposits of drifts, whereby ice is deposited in a stratified manner. So let's look at the causes on the causes of glacial deposition. We have the amount of glacial drift, the weight of the glacier, the climate change, the friction beneath the ice. The slope, whereby we have the features resulting from glacial erosion. The first feature is the till plains, the erratics, then the drumlins, as you can see how they look like. This is the erratics, till plains. These are the drumlins. They look like the drum or the log. The terminal moraine or the ridge, and we have the iscus. We have the came, and the came. Now the came terrace. Then we have the outwash plains. You can see how they look like. Then finally, I shall finalize by giving the significance of glaciations, and by it shall give the importance of the features formed under the significance of glaciation, whereby outwash plains have fertile morainic soils which are used for agricultural. For example, the Canadian prairies where wheat is grown, whereby waterfalls on the hanging valleys are used as generation for hydroelectric power, the GP. The glaciated islands are tourist attraction, especially during the natural rootways and fish sources. For example, Lake Superior and Lake Huron. The glaciated mountains are catchment areas for permanent rivers. The sheltered water fields are suitable the breeding regions or the grounds of fish as natural harbors. Then the sand excavated from outdoor plains and iskers are used for constructions here. Then those are the positive effects. Then we have the negative effect. The negative effect, which is the land in glaciated areas can be fully utilized for agriculture due to being marshy because of boulder clay deposits in central Ireland. Okay, so that marks the end of my lesson for glaciation. Thank you for your time. Let's meet on the other lesson. Good day.